I've been using the Citi Secured Mastercard for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Citi Secured Mastercard. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Citi Secured Mastercard. One of its standout features is the absence of an annual fee, making it a cost-effective choice for those starting their credit journey. It's a solid option for individuals looking to build or rebuild their credit history. Additionally, cardholders can access their FICO score online for free, allowing them to monitor their credit building progress. Another advantage is its security deposit requirement, which ranges from $200 to $2,500, determining the cardholder's credit limit. This deposit is refundable, provided the account is in good standing when closed. The card also reports to all three major credit bureaus, aiding in the establishment of a positive credit history when used responsibly. However, there are some drawbacks. For instance, it carries a high variable APR of 26.74%, which could lead to significant interest charges if balances are not paid in full each month. Additionally, the card does not offer rewards or cashback programs, which may be a consideration for those seeking added benefits from their credit card usage. Overall, the Citi Secured Mastercard provides a straightforward, no annual fee option for individuals aiming to build or improve their credit. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.